gonna do a bench press challenge right now. Maybe Jay's gonna record it, but it's a 225-pound bench press challenge. You gotta do 10, and I'm gonna challenge. It's gotta be people that you know personally, people you have in your phone book, on your cell phone, someone you could call up, text, and get an instant reply from. First person I nominate, Coach Millman. Second person, Gable Stevenson. And third person, Bo Nickel. All people I know personally. Do it. Ready? Ready? I'm going for 10.
10. 5, 5, 10. Let's see. That's it. Let's go. One, two. Great fun.
Do it.